A simple 1983 D penny could be hiding a valuable secret. While most pennies from this year are worth only face value, some contain a rare and highly valuable error that could make them worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have a 1983 D penny, you need to check it carefully because it might be a rare transitional error coin. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the 1983 D penny, how to identify valuable varieties, and how much they could be worth today. Stay with me until the end because you might have a rare penny in your collection without even knowing it. In 1982, the U.S. Mint made a major change to the composition of pennies. Before this, pennies were made of 95% copper and 5% zinc, weighing 3.11 grams. However, due to rising copper prices, the mint switched to a copper-plated zinc composition, which weighs 2.5 grams. By 1983, all pennies should have been made with the new zinc composition, but a rare mistake happened. Some 1983 D pennies were accidentally struck on leftover copper planchets from 1982, making them extremely valuable. If you have a 1983 D penny, here is how you can check for valuable varieties. Check the mint mark. A 1983 D penny will have a small d under the date, showing it was minted in Denver. Weigh the coin. The most valuable 1983 D pennies are the ones struck on copper planchets. A regular zinc penny should weigh 2.5 grams, but if your 1983 D penny weighs 3.11 grams, it could be a rare copper transitional error. Look for errors. Some 1983 D pennies have doubling errors, which can increase their value. Look at the lettering, date, and design for any signs of doubling. Get it authenticated. If your 1983 D penny is copper and weighs 3.11 grams, it needs to be verified by a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. The rare 1983 D copper penny is valuable because it was never supposed to exist. Since the mint had officially switched to zinc, finding a copper version is extremely rare. Collectors are willing to pay high prices for these transitional error coins because they are a mistake that should not have happened. Additionally, some 1983 D pennies have a double die reverse error, where the lettering and design on the back of the coin appear doubled. This error also makes the coin highly desirable among collectors. The value of a 1983 D penny depends on its condition and whether it has any errors. A regular 1983 D penny made of zinc is usually worth only face value if it is worn and circulated. An uncirculated 1983 D penny in mint condition can sell for $1 to $5. A 1983 D copper penny weighing 3.11 grams can be worth thousands. In the past, similar transitional error coins have sold for over $10,000 at auctions. A 1983 D penny with a double die error can sell for $50 to several $100 depending on the grade. One of the most valuable 1983 D copper pennies was authenticated by PCGS and sold for over $15,000 at auction. There are still rare 1983 D copper pennies waiting to be discovered. Here are some places to look. Search old pocket change. Some of these coins have remained in circulation for decades. Check bank coin rolls. Many collectors find valuable pennies by searching through rolls from the bank. Look through inherited collections. Some rare coins might be sitting in an old coin jar or collection. Visit coin shops and estate sales. Some rare pennies end up in collections without people realizing their true value. Should you get a 1983 D penny graded? If you find a 1983 D penny that weighs 3.11 grams or has a double die error, it is highly recommended to get it graded by PCGS or NGC. A certified coin will have its authenticity confirmed, making it easier to sell and increasing its value. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for graded rare coins. The 1983 D penny is a coin that many people overlook, but it could be hiding a valuable secret. If you have a 1983 D penny, check its weight and look for errors because you might have a rare transitional copper penny worth thousands. Always keep an eye on your pocket change and bank rolls because rare coins are still being found today. Do you have any 1983 D pennies? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable coin discoveries.